Eya mo wan say na mo hu me wa ha o. Me dey sa me sport na dos. E dos papa. Enti baby a me pa bia ho na metena. Ene aha na metena na me dey nsem na blem. Still abusua mu nsem. Don't worry. Na we as madadun ho ahu say Emma ye kan mo e wo problem Emma wo problem papa. Hey! Chineke go. Me dwe mo me ntiase. Jese me ntiase nso anye yi. Show. Na no me wa haya mbodwenti saa na me hu se lady bitia. Na oni obi na ekasa wo phone so. Osu. Oh sister. Ada me nyoba na. Ba 1 month ni ba me bia grant me better. I'm so wow. Fine lady to say 1 month no obi anse wo peda.
Ah, now kasa na make na me boa na. Me se be 1 month ni kwa obi anse be ma bia anse me pe o. Ah. Me nim chese me nim de ya me kwa. Me nim de wo me hu. Chese me nti ase. I really don't understand because wait dear, I know what day, me nim de menye. Me se menti ase, o don't na ma friend, to the onim so fu bi a chere me na me nko. Onim so fu bi a chere me na me nko na. Menti ase che se me nim de ekoso kra, menti de ekoso na se. Me ti me nanti be ye 1 month, no be ma kan de me say. Sister, many brasem na me kanu.
Ewo mu ana. Chese Nancy ya niti yeye. We dey say we dey nkapai. Ojo no te say okotwa nani a. Oh, nice gentleman be. Eno gina we. In fact, we did dim jalabia kama. No friend says, excuse me, sister, pese me.
Alright. Akatasia. Ah, amofa borni. Akatasia pacho mameni omdim kwa mbaka karawate. Mahuru no wuya mefa wo gere me koma anu ntini ma ba won chese nka mbaji mobile phone number no ne ma fra ofuri 94
na wo yejuma ben a obeji me mobile phone number
oh me na me ya security officer wa hanu nyina aha me na mafia so me brother pani nsu ya mokrema senior mokrema wo bibi wu a woni problem ya ba dore na fan ma wati
na security man upe esen
upe ni dia me gia me di nyina aba bro na won kutema me
she and who may and friend me be so what is so bad Jimmy number. What show one so bad me? Ah,
no, I hear more. May I bumble? What are we? Mangena, we are Pagana Guinea in Sisusa. Was secret to me. Or possible from Bangino. But a faster in a year with all words, yes, nonsense.
Masa inso hwe wa kasa hwe e bro wa o se e bro me en kasa pete me so be hwe ge no o cha atasi apaso o si no wa wo so no wa tenne na komkura fa wa nka onkom sa atem didie na ma mistake ba ko ade bia ma dwen ho amenti ase ne se de bia ba ma bia nya ne class minim class a o mu gina se class a hiu se class 4 se class 5 minim di odi ye boy no boy ne so ankasa eno dan no ho eja odi na ni wu ko ye na hwe yankopon de oye ni bibia pepepe enti na oye nsa nifa na oye bonkum sumye ma den gani ko ya no no so kwosesa no so hu se jalabia ni enti na ge na yes kwosesa no hu no di mu masa hu gentleman otu se gentleman ye owie ni dark bi no be gina ha no say sister ni hu na no see cross eni ene nyum adia me ni da so me saka hallelujah.
Hello, sweetheart. I don't mean Kasaka cry. Why? I'm off. Now I'm here on why who chinchimu bay.
Me for chumamu, my chumami.
Never send.
Vera.
Person care bon come kaka. Enter free kuku na have a lunch in Kasai. Why? Saying how?
Oh, okay.
Intina mi bisa ne say empire na wo bo akire nya message nyankopon at least oma obema na empire na ase ne say on say na ma mu life na etie intina mema no nso eyi nso ndrekese wan say wadada enu nti bema bia kopa oba o say o me koye ne lie because the adadwuna ehunu say ukona aka no kura ne kire no madam ye kueni say ne obesie dwo wani so no wani so bepa o manches inti obi akwa o say me koye lie answer obeye ne lie afa na onim say ensa ba ku no hu ye no eno an ye hwe egu bottle fufuro the same nsana the same alcohol it doesn't change when you drink you go boost.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, madam. Welcome to Tam Tam Restaurant, the home of African cuisine. My name is Chef Cardiff. Miss, how may I help you today?
Give us something special.
Something special?
Yes, something.
You mean something really special?
Yes, of course.
Okay, we've got grandmother's rice. It's made with salmon, dried fish, and some vegetables in it. Then we've got grilled chicken alongside with it. Grilled chicken in chili sauce. A little bit spicy, but not too spicy. Okay, and a fried plantain by the side.
Very good.
Would you love that?
Very good.
All right.
Let
Give me a
try
second.
It. All right. All right. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
It's very good.
We try to.
Very good. Afrikiko, they have very good food. Omodian here fine pa.
I can see that.
So most of the times, I used to come here a lot.
It tastes delicious indeed.
Very good. Now, what you do, my baby?
Okay, I'm a pharmacy assistant. I work in a pharmacy.
Very good. Said you my way. Go nowhere. But this kapal. How much you okay?
It's 700 Ghana cedis.
Cedis are not dollars.
Cedis?
Hey, and do $50 crab.
Wow. So you see?
Wow. It's less. It's a crab. Where? Where do you make it? Nowhere. Be brave.
Wow.
No less than $3,000 a month.
Don't mean it. $3,000
Yes.
a month.
Yes. No less than 3,000. Very good.
Yeah, this is Ghana for you.
Don't worry. We'll see what we can do. You're very ready. Why?
That's it.
Lydia,
Mommy.
only baby.
Me okay, mommy.
Wow. Well, I might do this slow.
It's very nice.
Oh, that's good. That's good.
I'm going to visit the washroom, please.
Okay.
I'll be back.
All right. Nonsense. The party. Bear the line or say, but get your say what you mind. Can pass your say what you for say we hear from boy can grab my bet na ha. Because I'm the first room 90 year, but the best for. We don't say yes. Wait till they say. But our boy comes away. Odi can come and take away.